back students. This is my class second, semester second, subject EVS, chapter 8, solar system. Today we will read about solar system. So now let's begin the chapter. Our solar system. Solar system refers to the sun and all the objects that travel in our circular path around it. जो sun के आसपास चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाते हैं. कोई thing. Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. Sun एक स्टार है जो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के में बिल्कुल सेंटर पे है. Our solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and their natural satellite, such as a moon. Moon हमारी क्या है? Natural satellite. Natural satellite means object that move around a planet in a circular path. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट प्लैनेट के चारों तरफ गोल गोल घूम रहा हो उसे हम नेचुरल सैटेलाइट बोलते हैं. सबसे पहले सन है, मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, अर्नस, नेपट्यून. ये पूरे सोलर सिस्टम के प्लैनेट्स हैं. ओपनिंग द ऑयस्टर. आवर सोलर सिस्टम इज लोकेटेड इन द मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. The Milky Way galaxy contain nearby 200 billion stars. Milky Way galaxy कलेक्ट कर उसके आसपास 200 बिलियन स्टार्स होते हैं. Solar system refers to the sun and all the objects that move in a circular path around it. Our solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets and the natural satellites such as our moon. What is our solar system? Solar system क्या होता है? A solar system is a family of sun. Sun की family होती है and all the objects that move in a circular part around it. How many stars are there in our solar system? There are only one star which is the sun in our solar system. How many planets do we have in solar system? We have 8 planets in our solar system. Take the correct option. The planet we live in is Earth. How many planets are there before Earth that are closest to Sun? 2. Which of the following is a natural satellite? Moon. It means second option. Fill in the blanks. Objects that move around a planet are called natural satellites. Second. Mercury is the closest planet to Sun. Sun is the star of our solar system. True and false. Earth is a star of our solar system. False. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Yes, true. Saturn has a ring around it. True. The following questions. Which planet is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which planet is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. How many natural satellites move around Earth? Name it them. 1. Which is moon. एक ही सैटेलाइट है जो क्या है? मून है. Discuss about solar system in class. Solar system refers to sun and all the objects that move in a circular path around sun. Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. Our solar system consists of sun, 8 planets and their natural satellites. Discuss about Milky Way galaxy in class. Galaxy is a large group of stars, gas and dust bound together. Our sun and all the planets around it, and it's part of a galaxy known as the Milky Way. All the stars we see in the night sky are its own Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. 6. Name the planet of our solar system. There are 8 planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Can you see any planet or planets with your naked eyes? If yes, then can you name it? Venus is the planet that can be seen with the naked eyes. Which star is the closest to the Earth? Sun is the closest star to Earth.